Today, I'm sharing a family favorite. That is bok choy salad. It comes straight from my mother-in-law's kitchen. Every time she makes it, it disappears so fast. So I ask her to share the recipe with me so I get to share it with you. I'm really excited, so let's get cooking. This bok choy salad is so good, whether you're having it for dinner or taking it to a potluck. It always disappears so fast. So let me know if you tried it. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss another episode of Everyday Eats with Ellen.